Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Mont, Queensland, and I have before you 8 by 20 inch or approximately 20 by 70 centimetre canvas which I've just put some black paint on, and I'm going to have a bit of fun here I think because I'm moving it around. I'll just see if I haven't messed you up. No, and so I'm going to be using red, white and black, and first up I think I'll put the bright red on, and then I'm going to swipe it. Let's see if we can't do this a bit about as crooked as a dog's hind leg, but that's okay because I'm going to swipe it. Whoops, okay. And some white. Either way, I have silicone in the red and silicone in this white. I'm going to put a bit more red, but none in the black. Right, actually, why not? Let's do a bit of this. How nice does that look? Okay, now just move that aside. Put the black on for the swipe. I am going to tilt, and I'll swipe this way because it's a funny old sort of shape. If I can reach over the table. Being short has its advantages, but I'm afraid stretching like this is not one of them. Okay, I'm getting some nice cell action, which is good. Right to the bottom, and then a little bit at the top here. Put in a bit of colour there, a bit on the bottom here, and that will be good. Now, in the bucket. Whoa, doesn't that look nice? Alright, so we're going down this way first, and then we're going to come back. Doesn't slip out of my hands. Just back a little bit. Alright, it's looking quite nice. So far, so good. Where's that cloth? There we are. Oops, throwing things on the floor. So now I want my piece of tubing, which I have here. Well, there is one thing. There is one thing when a person gets hold of a piece of tubing and they're blowing it out, it has a tendency to keep them quiet. So, there we are. And so I've been kept quiet. And I think that's really, really pretty. And now I want some white. Center. And what I'm using here is a paintbrush, but I'm using the wooden end as the brush, but the wooden end of it to do my little Shirley Temple curls. They don't take long, but they could have been a bit more curly. But as you can see, they come up rather nicely. And I rather like that. I'm just going to torch it and see if I got any more cells, because they're rather pretty. This one seems to have a lot. It's got a lot of nice lace, and where I blew it out along the edges, and then the curls of course, but then the cells have come up, and wow, she's pretty good. Yes, I'll take that one down too, I think. Black on it. Okay, so I'll bring you down to have a look at this one and see what you think. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find under Show More on the video. There's also a link down there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us. There's also a link there to Priscilla Betzel's Amazon, and you can find all her wonderful things there for sale. If anybody is interested in purchasing one of my paintings, the link to my email address is down below as well. More than welcome to just email me. The reason why I don't give prices out is because of postage, and so I don't know who you are, where you are, and so I can't really say how much and things like that. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell. You'll be notified then when I put up more videos. There's a little close-up of it. Quite a long, it's not very wide, but it is fairly long, so it'd fit very nicely in a lot of places actually. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and please give this one the thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.